Top 5 Best Car Amplify. Let's get started with the list. Starting at number 1, Rockville 3000 Watt Peak. The Rockville RP9 3000 Watt power amplifier combines efficiency with great sound to deliver a lightweight amplifier that packs a ton of punch. This amplifier is engineered using advanced design and components, creating a lightweight design and extremely reliable operation that can pound daily for years and years of use. The computerized DIC-controlled protection circuitry allows delivery of peak power while preventing overloads. The RP9 is optimized for 4 and 8 ohm speakers, and is equipped with a stereo, mono speaker output switch allowing for quick system impedance optimization. The RP9 amp fits perfectly into standard 19 racks, and is lightweight enough, less than 30 pounds, to make it incredibly easy to transport. At number 2, Rockford Fosgate R500x1D. The Rockford is a quality-made mono-D car amplifier that is rated at 500 watt x1 channel at 2 ohms RMS. The amplifier features a MOSFET power supply, cast aluminum heatsink, muted turn-on, short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, RCA pass-through outputs, high-level inputs, real-time output and power supply thermal sensing, phase switch. The amplifier is CEA 2006 compliant and comes with a remote bass control. The dimensions are 8.50 liters x 6.80 W x 2.00 H inches. A phase switch gets your subs firing along with your other speakers for maximum impact, while the speaker-level inputs let you hook this amp up to almost any system, even a factory stereo. At number 3, Planet Audio AC1500. Break out the bass with the Planet Audio Anarchy AC1500. 1M Monoblock Class A, B amplifier. This powerful 2-ohm stable amplifier features 1500 watts max power with a MOSFET power supply to drive your tunes to the limit. Customize the sound with variable low-pass crossover and bass boost. Unleash the bass with the remote subwoofer control. The Anarchy series of amplifiers are built to break the rules, allowing you to customize and control your sound so you can live like a mobile anarchist. Clear and loud. Enjoy music on your terms with the Planet Audio AC1500.1M. Automatic shutoff protects the amplifier if it gets too hot or if speakers fail causing a short. Variable bass boost allows you to adjust the low bass within the boost range to just the way you like it. At number 4, Planet Audio PL1500. Get your music thumping with the Planet Audio Pulse PL1500. This powerful 2-ohm stable amplifier features 1500 watts max power with a MOSFET power supply to pump out your playlists. Customize the sound with variable low-pass crossover and switchable bass boost. Tweak the levels with the remote subwoofer control. When space is limited but your passion for great sound is not, Pulse amplifiers with blue illuminated end panel strips and logo are just what the doctor ordered to power up your music and get your heartbeat racing. Put your tunes in gear with the Planet Audio PL1500. 1M. For further product details, please scroll down. The variable input control allows the amplifier input to match the output signal from the head unit to achieve optimum performance when adjusted properly. The Planet Audio logo has blue backlit illumination and the end panels have blue illuminated light strips. At number 5, Boss Audio Systems R1004. Get clear sound on the trails with the Boss Audio R1004 4-channel Class A, B amplifier. With 400 watts max power and MOSFET power supply, this 2-ohm amplifier gives your music a boost. Amplifiers in the Riot series are perfect for first-time car audio buyers looking for enhanced sound and performance for their system at an affordable price. Switchable input sensitivity provides adjustable control over the input signal from the head unit to achieve customized balance between power and sound quality. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.